Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of percents. Let's solve it together. There are three numbers in a set. One of the numbers, P, is 10% less than the sum of the other two numbers. If the sum of the three numbers is 475, what is the value of P? So we're talking about three numbers and they are all unknown, so we'll use variables for them. P is the first one. The other ones, let's call it X and Y. When you add them, you're supposed to get 475. That's what they're saying. And the other second part of the problem, this part is important, 10% less than the sum of the other two numbers, the value of P. So one whole thing, 100% in percents, it's a one whole. If it is 10% less, means we'll just take away 0.1, and that's going to lead us 0.9. So which means that the value of P is equal to 0.9 times X plus Y. This is what they're saying. I'm going to use a different color of pen to explain the rest of the question. So we will distribute the 0.9 into parentheses. P will be equal to 0.9x plus 0.9y. So we just find the value of P in terms of x and y. So we will just substitute that value in the first equation for the P. So let's do that. 0.9x plus 0.9y plus x plus y is equals to 475. So we will combine the like terms. 1.9x plus 1.9y is equal to 475. 1.9 is in common, so let's take a parenthesis of that. 475. We will, to get the value of x plus y, we will divide both sides by 1.9. In the SAT, you are allowed to use your calculator, so, and it's even embedded in the system. So when you use your calculator, and you will find the value of x plus y, 475 divided by 1.9 is 250. So we just found the value of x and x plus y. I'm going to continue with a different color. So initial equation, remember we had P plus x plus y was given as 475, and we just found the x plus y as 250. So we will take away these from each other, so we will have P on the left side. If you will take away 250 from 475, it is going to be equal to 225. So we just found the value of P is 225. Then the correct answer is choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.